To buy covered calls on Robinhood, start by understanding what a covered call is. A covered call is an options trading strategy where you sell call options to another investor while owning the underlying stock. This strategy generates income from the option premium and potentially sells the stock at a higher price. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the stock you want to use for the covered call. Make sure you own the stock and have enough shares to sell the call options. Typically, one call option represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Next, click on the Trade button and select the Options tab. Choose the Sell option and select Call from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of available expiration dates and strike prices. The strike price is the price at which the buyer can purchase the stock from you if they choose to exercise the option. Select the expiration date and strike price that aligns with your investment goals. Keep in mind that selling a call option with a higher strike price will result in a lower premium, but it also increases the likelihood that the option will expire worthless. After selecting the expiration date and strike price, you will see the current market price for the option. This is the premium that the buyer will pay to purchase the call option from you. Review the order details carefully before submitting the trade. Once you have sold the call option, you will receive the premium in your account immediately. If the stock price is below the strike price at expiration, the option will expire worthless and you get to keep the premium. If the stock price is above the strike price, the buyer may exercise the option and purchase the stock from you at the strike price. To minimize potential losses, consider selling call options with a strike price close to the current market price. This strategy is known as selling calls at the money or slightly out of the money. It is also essential to monitor the stock price and adjust your strategy as needed. In conclusion, buying covered calls on Robinhood involves selling call options to generate income from the option premium while owning the underlying stock. By understanding the key concepts and following the step-by-step guide, you can effectively use this strategy to enhance your investment portfolio. Always review the order details carefully and consider your investment goals before making a trade.